Well, I got this old horse stall paneled. Did a little bit different than the last one. I made I can see a little profile for the little V-groove for the shiplap, that's what it's called. And I didn't film the electric, but that's real nothing real sexy about that. Gotta go get the window, and then it's on to the ceiling. And you can see that's the goal over there. I already kind of got that section done for all this wood storage, because you know, who doesn't need to keep this much wood laying around for stuff. After this, I'll probably start on putting some doors here, just because that's got to be, I think, framed down to where I can get another garage door put there and there. Old barn rehabilitation is tedious, but another thing I did, was pretty excited about. I'm mildly dangerous with concrete. Repaired that section and then did all that. These used to be dirt horse stalls. Same for underneath here. It's by no means garage floor material, but for a barn it will be just fine. And yes, it is messy in here because that's how these things work. I'll take some still shots of the pretty stuff. Well, here's the other stall. Pretty much complete. I'm gonna paint the beams up there to match, but electrical's all, it's not hooked up yet, but it's all finished off. Windows in. Got the siding for the ceiling, which I think is a no-brainer for anybody doing a shop ceiling. And then that's the previous side already stuffed full of, a little dirtier over there because of the work over here. But concrete's down. It's not the prettiest concrete, but it is a barn floor. So I'm happy with it. Gonna start moving in more lumber. Believe it or not, there's more than that and that. Somebody should really start making some stuff out of that wood. But yeah, come along nicely. Hopefully I'll get it all squared up and get some doors built over here. I think I have an idea what I want to do with those finally. And then I'm not sure what I'm doing with the back opening. I might wall it in. Not positive yet. Could use more wall space probably.